Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb on a Chrysler Town and Country. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set. This prevents accidental electrical issues and keeps you safe. You will find the headlight assembly easily accessible under the hood. To access the bulb, you first need to remove the headlight assembly. Look for two retaining pins at the top of the assembly. Pull these straight up and out. Once the pins are removed, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It should slide out of its mounting clips. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling. Now that the assembly is out, it is time to replace the bulb. Twist the bulb socket about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Gently pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. When inserting the new bulb, hold it by its plastic base and avoid touching the glass. Oils from your skin can significantly shorten the bulb's lifespan. With the new bulb in place, it is time to reassemble everything. First, reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the headlight assembly. Then, slide the entire assembly back into its mounting clips until it sits flush. Reinsert the two retaining pins you removed earlier to secure it. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight bulb to ensure it works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.